I'm Tina Del Bono, and welcome to the 1 Minute Management Tip. You know what? I love working with a team of people, but it's not always easy. I have found that there are a few key elements that each team member needs to possess and do in order for a team to work well together. The first one is you must lead by example. Not just the office manager, but every single person on the team needs to lead by example. Secondly, we need to be accountable for our job tasks and what we are assigned to do. We need to be trained well to do them, and then we need to execute it every single day. And remember, our team members are depending on us to do what we're supposed to do. And then, lastly, we each must have a positive attitude. We need to bring it with us every day when we walk through that back door. And you know what? Having a positive attitude is a choice. We can make it every minute of the day, even when things don't go well. We can go ahead and turn it around and choose to be positive. Well, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for joining me. And remember, bring that positive attitude with you today in everything you do at work. We can create a great work environment and deliver quality patient care when we do so.